Good morning friends. In this video I am going to show you how to add domain names using your DreamHost panel. So before that I would request you to please subscribe to our channel if you have not. So guys, let's start now. To add a domain name, first of all you have to open DreamHost panel. So for that I have already typed URL. Now you have to give your email ID and password for login purpose. In case of DreamHost, generally your email ID is your user ID and password which you have chosen. So just please provide it. Once you have provided all this info, click on sign in. I clicked sign in. You can see like I have navigated to DreamHost panel and you can see like I have already added 3 accounts. Means 3 domain names I have already added, and you can just walk through, like you can see a lot of options here. Also in left side you can see domains option. In that you can see like manage domains is there. You just go and click there. Once you click the manage domain, you can see all the domains listed, like whatever the domains I have added you can see here, like they are visible, they are listed out. Now on top you can add hosting to a domain. Now once you open that, you can see you have to give domain option. Here I have given SITENOL.in. So in first option you can give your domain name. After that you can see lot of options are there. Second option is just if you want your domain not to use www, you can just select this third option and you can click. So now go to the next options. If you want to create a username, you can just select this or leave as it is. I will recommend leave as default. Now you can see like PHP version, you can also, if you want to change, you can do. In our case we are using 7.4. You can also see web hosting security related thing. Keep it checked in because going forward you will use SSL certificate. After that you can move to next options, like there is a Cloudflare also you can use along with DreamHost. You select it if you have account and you need to provide credentials. So I have not selected because I have not Cloudflare account. I have to just add my domain as of now. So now you can see like almost all the required selections we have done. Now we have to just host the domain. So you can go to the last option and you can say fully domain hosting. Wait for a while. Now it will create all the required things for hosting your domain, and in the last it will show you the success page. Now you can see like SITENOL.in domain is added to your panel. You can also see domain name along with name servers provided by DreamHost. Now you have to list out these name servers and you have to map your domain to these name servers, so that when you host your website, your URL will point to these name servers and your website will get visible to the other world. Probably it takes 48 hours, but in most cases it just propagate in 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours, 4 hours, but sometimes it takes time. It depends. So guys, this is all about you can see we have added domains to the DreamHost panel. Thanks for watching this video.